Today I am reviewing Zebary C1 Cordless Pool Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're interested in this robotic pool cleaner, you can check the links below the video to see the latest price and availability. After looking at its features and what it offers, here's my take on the Zebary C1. The biggest thing I like about the Zebary C1 is that it's completely cordless. Anyone who's dealt with long hoses or tangled power cords while cleaning a pool knows how much easier a cordless design makes the whole process. You simply charge it, place it in the pool, press the button, and let it do the work. That alone makes regular pool maintenance much less of a chore. Another feature that stands out is the battery life. With up to 200 minutes of runtime, it's built to clean larger residential pools without constantly needing a recharge. For pools up to 2,500 square feet, that's a real advantage because there's a good chance it can finish the job in a single cleaning cycle. The suction power also looks impressive for a cleaner in this category. It's designed to pick up leaves, sand, dirt, and other common debris that settles on the pool floor. The large 2.7-liter filter basket is another nice touch since it holds plenty of debris before needing to be emptied. Plus, the filter is washable and reusable, which helps reduce ongoing maintenance costs. I also like the adaptive navigation system. Instead of moving completely at random, it uses built-in sensors to improve its cleaning path and reduce unnecessary overlap. No robotic cleaner is perfect, but smarter navigation usually means better coverage and less chance of getting stuck. One thing buyers should know is that this model is designed for cleaning the pool floor. It doesn't climb walls or scrub the water line. If that's something you need, you'll have to look at more expensive robotic cleaners. For many homeowners, though, most of the dirt and leaves collect on the bottom anyway, so this may not be a deal breaker. The self-parking feature is another practical addition. When the battery gets low, the cleaner automatically moves near the edge of the pool, making it much easier to retrieve with the included hook. It also has a quick water drain system, so it isn't excessively heavy when lifting it out of the pool. The Zebary C1 works with above-ground and in-ground pools and is safe for vinyl, concrete, fiberglass, and tile surfaces. That broad compatibility makes it suitable for a wide range of pool owners. Of course, it's not perfect. It won't replace every part of pool maintenance, and you'll still need to brush walls occasionally and keep your pool's filtration and chemicals properly maintained. But for handling everyday debris on the pool floor, it appears to offer a good balance of convenience and performance. For anyone who wants an easy-to-use cordless robotic pool cleaner with long battery life, strong suction, and simple one-button operation, the Zebary C1 looks like a solid option. It skips some premium features like wall climbing and app control, but focuses on doing the basics well. If your goal is spending less time vacuuming your pool by hand and more time actually enjoying it, this is definitely a product worth considering.